Correct, everybody? So today we're going to learn how to use them, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So also we're using something here for common. So first of all, I am going to block the answer. Okay, everybody, I want you to take a look at this one. In order to calculate 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, how do we do this question? Okay, so first of all, we know it's 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 15, correct?
15.
Yeah, so
Yes.
before we have learned 1 is like if it's 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4, we know how to do it, right, Jason? Do you still remember how to do it? So let's
Yeah.
just review this one, okay? So Oliver, so everybody, how about you just to tell me how to do this one? Okay, first we just calculate this one. So 1 over half plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus all the way to 1 over 90. Did you finish? When you finish, please send it to me by chat, okay? 你都忘
Okay.
了，我要哭了我。
It's actually so easy.
So easy 吗？你把答案给我呀。
Okay.
Okay, so I have received Oliver's, I have received Daniel's. Just to let you know, two of you, the answer is not the same. So that means one of you is making mistakes or two of you making mistakes because it's impossible that two of you or both get it right, okay? I'm still waiting for Jason, Oliver, sorry, Chapter's answer.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so when we do this one, so 1 over 2 equals what? Equals 1 minus half, right? And 1 over 6 equals what? Equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Get it, Jason? So it's actually 1 minus half plus half minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. So the last one is what? 1. So it's 1 over 9. 9 times 10 is 1 over 9 minus 1 over 10. So all of them in between can be eliminated. So it's 1 minus 1 over 10 equals
9
9.
over 10. That's it.
Daniel, who said it's super easy and making mistakes? 要不要打
What?
屁股？
What? I didn't make mistake.
那你在哪里做错了？
这是对的。
哎，你的答案是49 over 50，怎么是对的呢？
I don't know.
那你哪里错了？你看一下。
不知道哪里错了，
那你现在看了呢？
看不见。
啊？ 不是，你看得
I'm
到老师
Bora.
写的吗？
Yup.
那你什么地方做的跟我不一样吗？
Calculation.
那一减去一减去1/10也会做错啦。
I don't know.
OK，
My brain's not working today.
你今天也打球了，
Kinda, yeah.
你今天打球也输了。
No, I was practicing.
对啊，那为什么要这样 ？OK, so let's take a look at this one. OK, so evaluate. Daniel，你妈妈回来了吗？
没有，
那
后天回，
你一个人无聊吗？
不无聊。
现在好一点啦。
I have a dog.
You have a dog?
Yes.
哦，是谁的狗啊？
就是我们那个 neighbor 那个。
哦，他让你管啦。
Yes.
OK。OK，好，我们现在看一下 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/10 plus 1/15，对不对？好了，我们现在看看啊。So how do we get this 3? Jason, we can calculate it as
1
1
plus
plus
2.
2, correct? We can calculate it as 1 plus 2, but we can also calculate it as
1 over
we can,
3.
no. It's actually, how do we calculate? Do you still remember how do we calculate the 等差数列求和？
What?
不知道。
不知道，就第一个加上最后一个乘以多少个除以2呀
乘以它们的数量。
？Right? So the first one plus the last one times how many numbers and divided by 2? Correct?
The
Okay,
first
so
one, last
Jason
one.
probably say 老师为什么这么麻烦？1加2等于3，我马上就算出来了嘛，对不对？但是后面有1加到50呢，对不对？ So it's almost impossible for you to place all the numbers one by one. But if I give you the formula, you can just divide, get the answer, right? So let's take a look at term 2. Jason, it's the first one plus the last one.
2. Oh,
No, first one
times
times the
3.
last one, and times how many numbers are there?
3
3 divided by 2.
divided by 2.
So that's why equals 6. Get it? So number
Yeah.
3 term is 1 plus what? 4 times 4 divided by 2 equals 10.
5.
Get
I mean
it?
10.
Yeah, so how about the number 49 term? The last
1
one is
plus
1 plus
50
50
times 50.
times 50 divided
divided
by
by
2.
2.
Correct?
Is it
Equal
always going to be divided by 2?
25. It's always divided by 2, yes. So
Okay.
50 to 25 times 51.
Freak. 1,250.
1,275.
Freak.
Did you divide it
No.
by 2? You didn't divide it by 2, right? Okay,
I
get
was
it,
off
everybody?
one.
So this is how we get it. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So I don't have enough space to do this. I want you to take a look at this one. So 1 over 1 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2, right? So that's the first term. That's the second term. That's the third term, correct? And that's the 49th term. And everybody, we know that 1 over something. So basically just to flip them, correct? Oliver, are you still with me? Chapter, are you still with me? So if you have 1 over x, basically it's x over 1. You're just using this one flip, right? So this one basically 2 go to the numerator, and this 1 plus 2 times 2 go down to the denominator. Correct? So now let's take a look at this one. So I'm going to take out this 2. Daniel, get it? We take out this 2, so inside it will be 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus 1 over 4 times 5 all the way to 50 times 51. So now this term will be the same thing, Jason. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over, sorry, minus 1 over 4 plus. So the middle one is all gone. Again, it's only the first term and the last term left. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 51 and 2 times it.
How do we transform it?
Transform what?
The
前面老师不是教过你吗？So when you have 1 times 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus 1 over 4 times 5. Jason, remember, it's always 当前面必须是1啊。1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus 1
Oh.
over 4 minus 1 over 5.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just do this question together, okay? 老师把这道题目重新给你们在上面做一遍, okay? So meanwhile, while I'm doing this, I want you to do the same thing as well. Oliver, I know you know how to do it, but the difference is you know how to do it and you did it. Okay? 每个小朋友重新自己做一遍, okay? So, chapter 老师会跟你一起做一遍，然后你不会做的，你可以看老师，好不好？Daniel，还有
Yup.
Oliver，还有 Jason，你们自己要做一遍，OK？
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so chapter, take a look, okay? So 1 over 1 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2, right? So for this one, we over it, is it equals to 1 over 2 times 3, correct? Do you understand this part? Okay, so let's do the term 2. So this one, so it's 1 over 1 plus 3 times 3 divided by 2, right? So for this one, we split it. So 2 go top and 3 times 4, correct? Do you understand this part? Okay, next one is this one. So 1 over 1 plus 4 times 4 divided by 2 equals, so 2 go up, so 4 times 5.
Wait, but isn't 1 plus 2 brackets times... Oh, wait. Isn't this supposed to... Oh, wait, nothing. My bad.
Okay, so the last one, chapter is 1 over 1 plus 50 times 50 divided by 2, correct? And the last one is, we can just flip this 2 up, and this one is 50 times 51.
Wait, at the end, is it minus or plus?
Plus,
Okay.
minus.
Oh, never mind.
Okay, so chapter, if you understand this one, if this is all 2, can we take out this 2? So 2 over 2 times 3, is it equals 2 times 1 over 2 times 3? Correct, chapter? Okay, so each of them is times 2. I can do times 2 out. So it's 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus 1 over 4 times 5 and all the way to 1 over 50 times 51. Right, Jason? Okay, so 2 times out. So 2 times 3 equals what? Equals 1 over 6, right? 1 over 6 is actually equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, right? And 1 over 12 equals what? Actually equals 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. And 1 over 20 equals what? Equals 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. So all the way to plus 1 over 50 minus 1 over 51. Daniel, are you still with me?
Yup.
Okay, I want everybody to redo this question, okay? So 2 times what? So Jason, see, -1/3 plus 1/3, -1/4 plus 1/4, -1/5 plus 1/5, all the way down. We only have 1/2 minus 1/51. Get it, everybody? Okay, that's how we get the answer. So if you understand, we're gonna do this question together, okay? So let me just to share. How do I share the screen? Here. This question, can you see it, everybody?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do this question together. So boys and boys, do it, okay?
Wait, why was there 2 on the top of the fraction before?
Hmm?
Why was there the 2 at the top of the fraction before?
I don't understand. What is it?
Like it was like the numerator was 2.
Yeah, so numerator was 2, so that's why 2 out. Because it's always 2,
No,
because it's always divided by 2.
no, but like where did that 2 come from?
Oh. Let me just go back to. Because, Jason, you take a look at this one. So 1 over this one. So 1 over anything, 1 over in a fraction is just using this fraction flip. So this 2 is coming from here.
Ah,
Get
okay.
it?
Okay. Send it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I have received Jason's. So I have received Oliver's. Jason and Oliver's answer is different, okay? Check your answer, both of you. Daniel and Okay, so I'm going to just start to explain. So everybody, 1 over 1 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2. Second one, 1 over 1 plus 3 times 3 divided by 2. Third one, 1 over 1 plus 4 times 4 divided by 2. Correct? The last one, 1 over 1 plus 50, sorry, 100 times 100 divided by 2. Am I right, Jason? Oliver?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you have 1 over anything, you just split them. So 2 over 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 over 1 plus 3 times 3 plus 2 over 1 plus 4 times 4 plus 2 over 101 times 100. Okay, so basically 2 over 2 times 3 plus 2 over 3 times 4 plus 2 over 4 times 5 plus all the way to 2 over 100 times 101. Oliver, Chapter, Daniel, are you still with me? Jason, you're with me, right? So we have 2 out. So 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus 1 over 4 times 5 plus all the way to 1 over 100 times 101. Okay, so next one. 2 and 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5 plus all the way to 1 over 100 minus 101. So these are all gone. So basically you can times inside. So it's 1 minus 2 over 101 equals 99 over 101. So that is the answer. Okay, for whom is making mistakes, please let me know which part you're making mistakes, which part you're not very familiar with, which part you're making mistakes, and which part you want me to explain again. It's totally fine. Jason, do you understand?
Yeah.
Oliver and sorry, Oliver, congratulations, you get it right. Chapter and Daniel, which part you don't understand?
I don't get the last bit.
Last part? Okay,
Yeah.
let me just explain the last part, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So we have 2. This part, do you understand, Chapter? Okay, so 2 times. So 1 over 2 times 3 equals what? Is it 1 over 6? So 1 over 6 is exactly equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Correct? Okay, next one. This one equals 1 over 12, right? So 1 over 12 exactly equals 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 20 exactly equals 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. So you can see, Chapter, negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So it's always like that. So last one is plus 1 over 100 minus 101. And this one is going to be eliminated by the earlier one because this is plus and minus. Get it? It's all gone. So the middle one is all gone. So only have 2 times 1 over 2 minus 101. So you can times inside. So 2 times half equals 1. And 2 times 101 equals 2 over 101. So the answer is 101 over 101 minus 2 over 101 equals 99 over 101. Get it, Chapter? Okay, good. Okay, Oliver, very good. Okay, Daniel, I'm not sure. Are you playing with the dog or whatever? This question you should have no problem at all. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. Okay, so for this question, okay, so 1 minus 1 over 2 squared times 1 minus 1 over 3 squared and plus 1 over 4 squared and all the way to 1 over 100 squared. So everybody, if you take a look at this one, we have learned a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. This is also could be implied on the fractional part. So 1 minus 1 over 2 squared equals what? Equals this one, this equals 1 squared, this one equals half squared. So it's 1 minus half times 1 plus half, correct, Jason? Okay, so 1 minus 1 over 3 squared equals what? Equals 1 minus 1/3 times 1 plus 1/3. And 1 minus 1/4 equals 1 minus 1/4 times 1 plus 1/4. Get it? So the answer is 1 minus 100 squared equals 1 minus 1 over 100 times 1 plus 100. So equals 1 minus half times 1 plus half and 1 minus third plus 1 plus third. So all of them, I want you to put them as improper fraction is 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 times 4 over 3. So if you take a look, everybody, you're going to find out the middle part is all gone. It's all equals 1. So only left the first term and the last term. Understand, Jason? But this time it's not minus, it's times. So it's 1 over 2 times 101 over 100. So that's why the answer is
101.
101 over 200. Okay, get it, everybody? So if you understand. Oh, we don't have. Oh, we don't have this question. I'm going to make one for you, okay?
Wait, at the end it's times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't this the same question? Okay.
Well, 那小朋友发给老师啊。
嗯。
Oliver 发给我了，OK，这个很简单啊，都不用算。我再给 Jason 和 Daniel 还有 Chapter 一点时间啊。Okay, I'm still waiting for us, so I'm going to just start to explain. Oliver, I think you got it right. So the first one is 1 minus half times 1 plus half, right? So the second one is 1 minus 1/3 times 1 plus 1/3. And third one is 1 minus 1/4 times 1 plus 1/4. And all the way to 1 minus 200 times 1 plus 200. Okay, so this one equals what? Equals 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 times 4 over 3 times, you can see the last part of the second term, the first part of the second term, and the last part of the first term, they combined together and became a 1. Get it? 因为1减1/2等于什么？等于1/2乘以2/3. So this is something like that, okay? So basically, the next one is 3 over 4 times
Wait,
4 over 5.
where
5
where do
over-
we get 3 over 2 and 2 over 3 from?
Jason? 1 minus 1
Yeah.
over 2 equals 1 over 2, right? So
Yeah.
1 plus 1 over 2 equals 1.
Just 3 over 2.
Yeah, 1
Okay.
minus 1 over 3 equals
Oh, my bad.
2 over 3. Yeah, equals 4 over 3 and times 3 over 4 and times 5 over 4 and times 4 over 5 and all the way. This one's not here, right? This one's missing here. So all the way, this one's 199 over 200 and times 101 over 200. You're going to see
Okay.
the middle one is all gone. So all of them are gone. Only have 1 over 2 times 201 over 200 equals 201 over 400. And that's it. Get it, everybody? Okay, so stop me if you are still having something not very sure about. 哎呀，我这个怎么弄出来的？哎，我这个，how do I do everything? Oh, here. Stop sharing. Understand, Daniel? Daniel 肯定去玩狗了，我跟你说，Daniel 真的去玩狗。
没有，
那你们在听啦，都不理我的。你再这样子，我到你家去了。我告诉你啊，但是还没有，我觉得你就是有。Okay, let's
狗
take
都
a look at this one. A, B, C. Which one has a greater value?
狗不在我这里。
啊，狗走啦。
对呀
那你有没有好好
You
听
should
课
turn
啊？
the camera on.
，I am。
It's
那
not
你要
on. A.
Okay, everybody take a look at this one. Okay, so 1000 times 103. So which one is the biggest one? So in order to calculate which one's the biggest, actually you need to put the denominator the same. This question is pretty easy, right? You just find out 101 and 102 and 103. So they are common factors, like lowest common multiple is these three numbers times together, right? So just to making them the same. So this question is pretty easy. Let's take a look at number 4. So find the value of A if 1 over 1 plus blah, 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 blah equals 16 over 23. Okay, I want everybody started to try this question because I think this question is pretty easy. I think everybody should be able to do it. The only thing is remember, okay? So when you have 1 over something, just flip them.
Okay.
to start to explain, okay? So Jason, first of all, let's just focus on this part. Okay, this part only. Oliver, we only focused one part at a time. Okay, so A, 哎呀，我这个笔怎么回事？ A plus 1 over 2 equals what? Equals 2A plus 1 over 2, correct? Understand, everybody? Are you with me, Daniel? Okay, so how about this one, the whole thing?
Yes.
1 over 2A plus 1 over 2 equals what? Equals 2 over 2A plus 1. Correct? Okay, so now let's plus this one. So 2 plus 2 over 2A plus 1. So equals what? Equals 2A plus 1, 4A plus 2 plus 2 equals 4A plus 4 over 2A plus 1. Get it? Okay, so now let's do 1 over this whole thing. 1 over this whole thing equals what? Then you just flip it. 2A plus 1 over 4A plus 4. Correct? Then you do this one, 1 plus. So equals what? Equals 4A plus 4 and 4A plus 4 plus 2A plus 1. Get it, Jason? 有没有在看？有没有在看？啊，不要看下面，对不对？So 6A plus 5 over 4A plus 4, right? So then this whole thing, you flip it, equals this one, you flip it, because this one you flip it, 1 over. So it's 4A plus 4 over 6A plus 5 equals 16 over 23. Get it? So A equals what? A equals 3. It's
The
nothing
flipping
hard.
part.
Huh?
The part where you flip at the start.
What? Probably at the very beginning, you don't know. 让我们一步一步做好不好？ We do it one by one. 每个小朋友把笔拿出来 ，take out your pencil, and we're gonna do it one by one. Okay, let's do 1 over A plus half first. Everybody do this part first. 1 over A plus half equals what? Okay, so this one equals what? Equals 1 over
2A plus
2A
1 over
plus 1
2.
over 2. 这步会不会做？这步会不会做？ Because I want to make this one as a denominator as 2, so it's 2 and 2a, right? So 2a plus 1 like that. So you flip it equals 2 over 2a plus 1. Everybody, are you with me for this part?
I am with you.
哪个地方？这个地方懂不懂？这懂的，对不对？Daniel 说 with me.
懂。
Chapter, are you with me?
Kind of.
哪个地方不懂？跟老师说。
The two thing beside the A.
2 thing besides a. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so the original question is a plus 1 over 2, right? So do you remember how do we calculate the two numbers plus together? For instance, like if I have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, so how do we do it? We need to make the denominator the same, right? So a plus half, you cannot plus them, but I need to change the denominator the same, right? So for this question, the denominator is 2, right? So how to change the a to the denominator 2 as well? It's 2a over 2 plus 1 over 2. Get it? So 2a over 2 equals a, and 1 over 2. So that's why this one equals 2a plus 1 over 2. Get it? Okay, so now 1 over 2a plus 1 over 2. Flip it. Anything 1 over, just a flip. Like here, before its denominator became numerator, before numerator became denominator. So that's the same. So this whole entire pink part became 2 over 2a plus 1. So let's do the second one is 2 plus 2 over 2a plus 1. So this green part. Understand, everybody? So how about this one? So again, chapter 2 cannot plus 2 over 2a plus 1. I need to make 2 become something as 2a plus 1 as well. So if you have 4, you want to have 2 as the denominator. You're using 4 times this one, so it's 8, right? So that's the same thing. If you want to have 2, with this denominator, use 2 times 2a plus 1. Plus 2 over 2a plus 1. Get it?
Isn't the top supposed to be 1?
Which one?
Wait, no.
No. We just do the entire part lower.
Oh, my bad.
Mhm. Get everybody? So that's why the thing is 2a plus 1 equals 4a plus 2 plus 2. So equals 4a plus 4 over 2a plus 1. Get it, everybody? But this one is the green part. But if 1 over it equals what? Equals 2a plus 1 over 4a plus 4. Am I right, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So now let's move forward. 这个有点难啊，这个题目不是难，就有点烦。Okay, so now let's take a look at the blue part. The blue part is 1 plus 2a plus 1 over 4a plus 4. Again, 4a plus 4, and this one is equals what? 4a plus 4 over 4a plus 4, correct? So the question became 4a plus 4 over 4a plus 4 plus 2a plus 1 over 4a plus 4. So it's 4a plus 4 plus 2a plus 1. Correct, everybody? So equals 6a plus 5 over 4a plus 4. But this one is the blue part, and I want 1 over this whole thing. So it's 4a plus 4 over 6a plus 5 equals 16 over 23. It's almost like peeling onions. Get it, everybody? So 4a plus 4 equals 16. So 4a equals 12. So a equals 3. You can put them back into the bottom one. 6 times 3 plus 5 equals 23. So we get it right.
When do
Got
we
it,
know when to
everybody?
flip them?
Huh?
When do we know when to flip them?
How do you know when to flip them? It's just a 1 over. When you have a 1 over, it's always
Ah, okay.
right? Okay, so let's take a look at a question like that. 第8题怎么会是这样的？ Okay, you know what? Let's take a look at this one first. Number 5. Can we do number 5? Okay, so 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over. So you can take a look at this one. This question, impossible for us to find out all the answers one by one, right? Because there are so many layers, 1,000 division lines. Okay, so Chapter and Jason, when we have some numbers like that, it's impossible for us to do what? Impossible
Manual
for us
solve.
to do, yeah, it's impossible to do 1,000 layers one by one, right? So we always take a look at the first one, Daniel, and find out if we have the pattern here. Correct? If we have the pattern or not, Oliver. So let's take a look at this one. We have the first one is 239 over 365, and 1 over it, and minus it equals 127 over 238. And the third one, 365 over 127. So the third one is 238 over 365, right? So if you take a look at this one, the pattern result is always like 238, 365, negative, something like that. It's always these 4 numbers repeating. So all you need to do is just 1,000 divided by 3, 3 numbers repeating, divided by 3, and division's 1, so the remainder is 1, so it's always 238 over 365. Understand?
For the first one, it says 239.
Yeah, isn't it supposed to be 238?
错了。
Okay.
How could they make so much mistakes?
Yeah.
这边因为365减去127应该是238，对不对 ，Oliver？对不对？对啊，你题目写错了啊。OK，我来看一下 number。
I wanted to look at it a bit more.
OK, so let's oh sorry，你要看一下吗
Just one more time.
？OK，
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, if you understand this one, we're going to take a look at this one, okay? Number 11.
Yay. Oh.
Okay, so 1 minus 139 over 365 equals what? Equals 226 over 365, right? So 1 minus 1 over 226 over 365 equals 1 minus 365 over 226 equals negative
Oh, shoot.
139 226, right? And this one, 1 minus 1 over negative 139 over 226 equals 1 plus 226 over 139 equals 139 and 365. Right, 1 minus 1 over 365 over 193 again equals 1 minus 139 over 365 equals 226 and 365. So basically it's 1000 divided by 3 equals 333 and remainder is 1. So again, it's the first term. So the answer is 226 over 365. Correct, everybody? This question is easy. Am I right? 这个还挺简单的吧，对不对？
对。
OK，好，终于 Daniel 说了一句话了，激动。Okay, so let's take a look at it one by one. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this question, how we do it. Basically, just a regular calculations. Okay, everybody, please do this question yourself. So this question should be very easy, right? 8 and 1/3 plus 21/2 and over 79 1/2 minus 49 2/3, right? So just a basic calculation. So this question, we're not doing any more calculations. I think everybody, you should know how to do that, okay? So let's take a look at the next one. Evaluate 1/2 plus 2 and 1/6 and plus 3 and 1/12. So I just to give you a little bit hint, okay? So this question is having two parts. The part one is a number. Part two, fraction. Okay, putting number and fraction separate, and you're gonna get the answer. Okay, so the number part, Oliver, we have 1 plus all the way to 11, right? Get it, Jason? Get it, Oliver? Get it, Daniel, right? So the fraction part is basically 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/12 plus all the way to 156, right? So 1/2 equals what? 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus all the way to 13, sorry, 11 times 10 times 11, 11 times 12 and 12 times 13. Okay, so based on that is 1 minus half plus half minus third and plus third minus fourth and plus all the way to plus 1/12 minus 1/13. So they're all gone. So it's 1 minus 1/13 equals 12/13. Okay, let me know if you understand it. If you don't understand, I'm gonna explain it. So that's why the answer is 12 times 11/2 equals 132/2 equals 66. So the answer is 66 and 12/13.
Wait, what?
Yeah, this
Is
is
it
a
not
number
all?
part. This is a fractional part.
Oh, wait.
怎么了？
I'm off one.
你怎么会 off one 的？
I got 65.
那你肯定算错了吧？就是答案
I
方
got
法是对的，但
65,
是算
12
错了。
over 13. Ah,
是不是啊
Okay.
Right? Okay, everybody? Number 3. Okay, number 3, think about it. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And this one equals what? This one is something with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1.
minus
Okay, everybody?
1.
Yeah, I give you a little bit hint, okay? Try to do yourself. Okay, so this one equals, this one is very easy, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squared. And minus what? Equal minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squared minus 1, correct? And it's
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squared minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squared and a plus 1. So the final answer is 1 for this question. Okay, so the bottom one is 1, so it's 2,000
2000.
over 1. So the answer is 2,000.
2000. Oh my god.
Get it?
Yes.
Yup. Wait.
Okay, so let's take a look at the one last question. So, okay, this one question we did. Let's take a look at this one.
Wait, is it a plus b brackets a minus b brackets it's equal to a squared
Yeah,
minus
b
b
squared.
b squared, yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's take a look at this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Okay, last question. So everybody. So equals what? Equals 1 minus 1 over 5 times 1 plus 1 over 5 times 1 minus 1 over 6 times 1 times 1 plus 1 over 6, right? And all the way to 1 minus 1 over 1,000 and times 1 plus 1 over 1,000. Correct? Okay, equals 5,000 times 4 over 5 times 6 over 5 times 5 over 6 times 7 over 6 times 6 over 7 times 8 over 7. So all the way to 999, 9 over 1,000 and times 101 over 1,000. Right? So all of them are gone, actually, the middle part. So the left side is 1,000 times 4 over 5 times 1,001 over 1,000. So you can say 5,000 is gone. So the answer is 4,004. So that's the answer.
哦，
哪个地方又做错了，Jason？ Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, so I know this part we have learned it before. Some of you remembered, some of you forgot already. We're going to just focus on make sure every single one understand this properly, and you can just check the video. I'm going to upload the video to the Google Class because everything is fixed. Okay, so we're gonna check if you don't understand part of them, Jason. The only thing is just to expand every single term, because sometimes the term is not being regularly well expanded and you're not going to see the how we eliminate each of the term. Understand? And I just want to emphasize, we have 1 over something. That means you are going to flip the denominator and numerator at the same time for you, especially have 1 over something. If you have 2 over something, it's very easy. Just to get the 2 out of them, it's 2 times 1 over something. So you can still very simply just to flip them. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. And I hope you enjoyed today's class and do well for the homework, okay? So
，OK
bye-bye.
OK，拜拜，谢谢。